We need cookies. Okay, so guys, you need 100 grams of butter. Yeah, you're gonna make it 300 grams.
Guys, now we're gonna put the cookies.
Hi guys, welcome to Learn and Flow with Sky and Sage. So today we're gonna be making biscuit chocolate pudding. So now let's get started. First, we need cookies. We need these two kind of measuring spoons, measuring cups,
And we need butter.
and we need vanilla pearl, and we need some cashews.
And we need
we need a plastic ball, and we need some wrapper to put on it. And then you need a milk, and then you need icing sugar and chocolate and M&M's decorations. So first, and you might need a scale too.
soda.
You can put some butter now for the ingredient. Okay, so guys, you need 100 grams of butter, 250 grams of icing. Now we take this and you take the spatula or some spoon and mix it. We already finished putting this. Check. Okay, now we're gonna put 1 tablespoon of vanilla powder. Keep mixing. Mix and mix. Guys, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. So guys, now look, we already have the chocolate. You see? Now you're gonna mix it until it looks like a cream. Now next, you take the milk and take cookies, and then you just stir in the milk and make them soak. Yeah, you're gonna make it 300 grams. So guys, this we're gonna make the pudding. To decorate, we're gonna use M&M, chocolate, and cashew. So guys, already decorated on the bottom. Now we're going to put this icing inside.
Okay, guys, now we're gonna add some cashew.
Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna add the soaked biscuit in the middle. Now we're gonna add another layer of chocolate. Time to do that.
Guys, now we're gonna put the cookies. The last layer of cream.
So now, yeah, we're done. And if you want, you can put some more toppings on the top, like cashew, ice cream, or anything you can, or any candy or sprinkles. Yeah. So, and then after you're done, put it in the fridge. Now we finished putting in the fridge, and now it's ready to eat. So I'm gonna cut a piece. Remember, save some for your other friends.